The first step in adding dandelion leaves to your meals is to taste the leaves. Leaves can vary in bitterness. Some may be slightly bitter, but still yummy, while others are over the top bitter. So give your dandelion leaves a taste first to see where they fall on the scale. Hands down, my favorite recipe for dandelion leaves is dandelion pesto. The bitterness of the leaves is mellowed with the salt and lemon in the recipe, and the garlic gives it an extra yummy punch. Dandelion greens are high in minerals, so I like to extract them in vinegar. In your recipe handout, I've included a recipe for a spring greens vinegar tonic. The fresh greens can also be added to salads or sautéed as you would any green. In our book, Wild Remedies, How to Forage Healing Foods and Craft Your Own Herbal Medicine, Emily Hahn and I have an entire chapter on dandelion leaves and flowers, and there's a yummy recipe for dandelion greens on soca bread.
Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.